Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another beautiful Olympiad math problem. It is given that 5 to the power a plus 25 to the power a equal 125 to the power a. So we need to find the value for a to satisfy this equation. I can rewrite the equation as 5 to the power a plus 25 is 5 to the power 2 to the power a equal 125 is 5 to the power 3 to the power a. Now we know that according to the exponential rules, we can write a to the power m whole to the power n as a to the power n whole to the power m. We can swap that n and m according to the exponential rule, so that I can rewrite the equation 5 to the power a plus 5 to the power a to the power 2 equal 5 to the power a whole to the power 3. Now I am going to use x equal to 5 to the power a. So the equation will become x plus x to the power 2 equal x to the power 3. Now what I am going to do is I am going to divide whole equation by x. Then x and x going to be cancelled. Here 1x going to be cancelled. Here 1x going to be cancelled. So now we have 1 plus x equal x square. Now I will rewrite this quadratic equation in formal format. So x to the power 2 minus x minus 1 equals 0. Now I am going to solve this quadratic equation. To find the root of the equation, I am going to use the common equation to find the root of this quadratic equation, which is x equal minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a. In this quadratic equation, b equal minus 1, a equal plus 1, c equal again minus 1. So I'm going to substitute the value to the equation. Then x equal minus time minus 1 plus or minus square root of b is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is square minus 4 times a equal 1, c equal minus 1 divided by 2 times 1. Further simplify this one, x equal, we know that minus times minus 1 is equal plus 1 plus or minus 1 is square is equal to plus 1 minus 4 times minus 1 equal to plus 4 divided by 2. Now x equal 1 plus or minus 1 plus 4 is 5 square root of 5 divided by 2. Here now we have two roots for the x. First one is 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, or 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we know that our initial submission is x equal to 5 to the power a. I am going to consider the positive value for x in first case, which is x equal 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. In positive case, 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2 equal 5 to the power a. Now a can be found using the logarithm of base 5. So a is equal to log base 5 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So this is our final answer. This can be considered as our final answer. No doubt about that, which is 100% correct. Now in case 2, x equal 5 to the power a. So that 5 to the power a is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So here square root 5 is greater than 1. So this whole value become negative. So in this case, there is no real value for a. We know that for any value of a, 5 to the power a is always positive, greater than 0. So it cannot be negative. So there is no real value for a in this case. Therefore, our final answer is a equal log base is 5 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. This is our final answer. Although this is our final answer, if someone want to provide more realistic solution for a, we can apply this nice logarithm rule to the solution further. So in logarithm, you can write log base a be equal log base c b divided by log base c a. So if you apply these rules to the solution, I can rewrite a equal log, I'm going to use base c as 10, base 10 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2 log base 10 5. So according to the common notification, log base 10 is written as lg. So log 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2 divided by log 5. So now it is really easy to find the value for a using the logarithmic table. Thank you very much for watching. If you have got a different method to solve this question, please make a comment and let me know. And please subscribe the channel for future videos.